This is one of the most affordable car wash or a bike wash kit that you can find on Amazon. This is a dual motor high pressure 12 volt car washing kit, or you can use it even to wash bikes. Let me just show you the contents of the package. So that's the pipe. That is the adapter, I guess. Then you have the gun, spray gun. And then some accessories, hoses, and then a power cable. And then that is one of the handle accessories, pipe extensions. And this is the motor itself. It comes in a bubble wrap. So we are going to unpack all this and show you. So here I have assembled the motor and I have hooked it up to the adapter and then to the power extension, and then the short cable, the short pipe goes into the water source, the water inlet, and the outlet is then connected to this spray gun. So this is a dual pressure spray gun. Half pressing will give only half the pressure, which is suitable for sensitive areas, and on pressing it fully you will get a stronger stream, which I'll be demonstrating in a short while. I think for the price, this is one of the best pumps. This is one of the best pressure pumps that you can find on Amazon, and you don't have to spend too much. You don't really have to spend too much on costlier pumps, because you don't use it on a daily basis. You just use it once or twice a week, and I think this is more than enough. So I'm just half pressing here, so you can see that I am trying to clean the under of the Activa bonnet. So this is the Honda Activa, if you're wondering. So I'm just trying to clean the inside of the bonnet. So this is the engine and all the other main components under the hood. So I don't want to use too much of pressure because there are cables and other pipes that is coming in and out of the component. I'm just half pressing it. I'm just giving a mild wash. This is the full pressure. I'm pressing it fully now. So I'm trying to clean the wheels, the rim of the wheels. So this is half pressure and this is full pressure. So you can see the difference. Now when you're pressing the half pressure, it is kind of a misty and just enough to take off the dirt. But when the dirt is pretty old and pretty hard to remove, you need to full press to clean the surface. This is very effective and pretty suitable. I would say this is one of the cheap and best options that you can find. I mean, literally nothing can beat this. So hope you guys like it. If you like this video, do give me a like, and you can find the links in the description box if you want to buy this item. Yeah, so my bike is super clean now. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.